Hello everyone, today I will show you how to block out text in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now click on this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this redact option. Click here. First click on this arrow and click this properties option. First I will change this reduction color and this reduction tools properties open, and this is redact area fill color. Click here and simply select your black color. Now select OK and drag your mouse cursor, select your text you want to redact and say this preview. Also I will redact this text and say this preview. And finally select this apply option and see this will permanently remove and you cannot undo this all, and simply select OK and save your PDF file and OK. Yes, and see this our PDF file finally redacted and text now black out. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.